Barbie Fortes update. Spotted si Barbie nag-movie marathon just sa Trinoma Malls. At pinanood niyang MFFF, I Love You So Bad at I'm Perfect. Yan, pang-apat na movie na ni Barbie yun. Yan, support talaga si Barbie. Sa post ng Mighty Clean, and Happy New Year. Saka anong kapalaran mo ngayon 2026. Yan, mag-react na para matupad yun. Saka ito pa yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. And kasama ang family niya, Family Fortesa, bagong taon. Sabi niya, thank you 2025, you will definitely a crazy ride, but you tell me to enjoy every moment. 2026, you got big shoes to fill, let's get it, yun. At sa post ni Derek Chris, sabi niya, Domingo Fortesa, Panganiban, 3 artists who made my 2025 a major milestone in my career. Salamat sa husay niyong tatlo. Yun, Kontabida Academy, sa Mary. Sa post ni Kabretless, and kasama si Barbie sa vlog. Yan, pwede panoorin yun. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.